The tablecloth unique characteristics, 100% polyester microfiber, fabric quality pollution-free, won't have harm to the body, has high strength and antependium elastic restoring force, will not be easy to tear. Among them, the tablecloth also has the characteristics of anti-pollution, anti-wrinkle and non-fading. Make the tablecloth more reusable. It is the first choice of tablecloth products. Wide application of tablecloths. Tablecloth is 102-inch size, suitable for most rectangle tables. It is suitable for family parties, weddings, hotels, birthday parties, banquets and other occasions where it is needed. YLZYAA tablecloth gives you an unforgettable memory. Variety of tablecloth colors, more options for colors: black, green, ivory, red, white, wine, baby blue, beige, dark gray, lavender, pink, purple, royal blue, turquoise, navy blue. Make it look more vibrant without fading. Let them have a unique atmosphere on different occasions. Easy care of tablecloths: machine wash in cold water, gentle cycle, and air dry. High quality fabric can stand the test of repeated washing. Durable, stain-proof and wrinkle-free design washes easier than most cotton and linen cloths. Resilient fabric won't fade, rip or weather. Pretty protective liner makes a low-maintenance addition to your dinner setup, elegant hemmed edges and seamless construction. YLZYAA is making home furnishings high-quality goods. We will continuously introduce more new products, to low price, high-quality products to more families' satisfaction. We also hope to get your recognition and support. If the product is not satisfactory, you are welcome to share your feelings and we will reply to you in time to ensure that you will not suffer any loss. Top reviews from the United States. Really nice. I purchased this tablecloth for my niece's birthday party. I thought it would be more cost-effective than purchasing one of those cheap plastic ones from the dollar store, and it definitely was. This is a really nice tablecloth for the price, super affordable, simple, and nice quality. The color was true to the photo, as was the description. It obviously was wrinkled, but I put it out on the table the night before the party and the next day it was wrinkleless. It did its job perfectly. I washed and dried it and the quality is still there and can use it again in the future. I would definitely recommend purchasing these tablecloths and intend to do so again in the future when I need other colors.